Well, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Out for a walk this morning. Michelle and the dog, I do believe, are down. Well, she's in her swing on the bank, enjoying a somewhat cloudy day. Yesterday it was sunny, and we had gale force winds all night the night before and all day yesterday. It's kind of stormy in these parts, and it has been for the last month. A couple of years ago, she needed a way to store her canning supplies. So we bought a Rubbermaid 7x7-foot building at Home Depot. Got it out here and put it up. Unfortunately, the foundation kind of gave way on it, but it stood the test of time under a pretty heavy snow load for 2 years. And now this year, we took it completely down. I redid the foundation, and it's back up now. And I do believe it is going to serve her purpose. These are very sturdy buildings, and I was really surprised that it would withstand all that it went through and still be standing there. Well, the teepee shed, as Michelle calls it, finally was completed, and she's using it to store all of her canning supplies. As I said, this we erected it 2 years ago, and it has withstood 2 Alaskan winters. The only problem that we had was the foundation, and I think I solved that problem by using the beam system here. This seems to hold up far better than the post and beams that I was originally using. And for those of you who had asked about water collection, we have a system set up. We have several of these 55-gallon water drums, and we use a tarp system that collects rainwater really nice. Of course, we have funnels set up with screens over them, and this barrel's already full and overflowing. Like I said, we have several of these. And on the back side of the cabin, which all of this is being torn down, this was actually erected as a temporary area of storage, a laundry room, shower room, and it will all get rebuilt over this summer. But with the metal roof, we easily collect rainwater, which is then treated and filtered and boiled and then filtered again. The step you see here used to be attached to the cabin, but a black bear decided he wanted to see what was on the other side of this door, and he ripped it all apart the other day.
Well, I bought this screen tent last year off of Marketplace, and it was in beautiful condition with the intent of using it for an outdoor gym in the summertime. So Jed set this up for Mother's Day for me. So I had this beautiful little gym. 2 days later, a bear bit through that. Just bit right through it, ripped a piece out, and then walked away. That said bear woke us up that morning. Well, actually, I should say Takani woke us up. So Jed fixed that, taped it up. Later that day, Takani decided to chase a vole or shrew, whatever you call it, through here and there, ripped a hole right through there. Jed taped it up, but the tape isn't sticking. When we came out, and here was Takani standing inside the tent wondering what to do. So we just decided it was safe to leave the tent unzipped. Part of the reason for having this as an outdoor gym was so that I could work out in here no matter the weather, if it's raining or windy or mosquitoes. But you can't see it, but there's a mosquito flying right in front of this camera because it's got holes in it now. Darn it. Look at that. I didn't even get a chance to actually do more than a couple things in here before a bear and a dog just went through here. So we have the board taped and stapled here, but there's still spaces where mosquitoes can get in, and don't know what we're going to do. The plan is this summer to build an extra room on the cabin so I can put my equipment in. I have my hyperextension bench, my regular weight bench, my Bowflex weights because they take up a lot less room, my rolling thingamabobber. This is my sandbag for doing essentially kettle swings, but I don't have kettle bars, so this is what I use. And I have more. I have, I can't think of it, lay something or other bars. They look like dip bars, but there's no room in here. There's no room in here for my bicycle and its trainer. So this is definitely a step up. It's just a bummer that it was so pretty on Mother's Day, and then a bear and a dog destroyed it.